During 2014, the world produced the overwhelming number of 311.8 million tons of meat, of which 37% came from pigs. The pig meat sector in Spain represents a total 34.2% out of the whole livestock production, being it the most important industry in Spanish farming. Moreover, Spain ranks fourth in global pig meat production and second in the European Union. But it doesn't end there. Spain has also established as the third greatest pig meat exporter in Europe. Our pigs are categorized as being extra lean and they breed larger litters of piglets, which results in higher production rates and efficiency. There are 3 different types of swine production systems: extensive, semi-extensive, and intensive. In this video, we'll focus on the latter. What do we have to think about when building a shed? Firstly, choose a suitable construction site which combines good accessibility, surrounding areas, and potential growth possibilities. Secondly, build a shed following the technical building code. Gable roofs are normally used in this type of construction. Most common building materials are beams, steel rods, or sheet metal panels. And finally, floors will either be made out of cement or plastic slats. Once the shed is built, its interior design will need to meet certain requirements to guarantee both animal welfare and production. To do so, some important criteria such as malnutrition avoidance, disease control, or stress-lowering conditions in animal comfort should be taken into account. All of this combined with additional criteria featuring high performance will lead to greater benefits and lower costs. Swine farms must also qualify for applicable legislation, which covers daily review of equipment and animals, a minimum of 8 hours of light a day, clean water, adequate feeding timing, resting areas, and proper ventilation. Depending on the production cycle stage of the pig, livestock housing will be adapted to each of its specific needs, for either piglets, fattening and gestation, and birth. A typical distribution of the birth cage will include a heat focus, a pig trough, a water dispenser, and a piglet zone close to mums. In conclusion, the pig meat sector in Spain stands out among other animal production industries and it's gained more importance in the past few years. The main target is to optimize production with minimum costs while respecting animal rights. Therefore, farming construction should meet these goals while also following current regulation. And here's the websites where we got the information from.